YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I did my own DIY hair oils. I know that's like a really big thing that a lot of people are doing, along with the hair butters and body butters. And given that me and my daughter have a lot of different scalp issues, I just decided to take matters into my own hands and stop just buying stuff off the shelves and just, do my own thing. Right here, you'll just see me opening up the 3 jars that I'll be using. So these jars, I want to do 2 hair oils, and then one of the oils, the 3rd jar, will be used for my body butter. Y'all have to bear with me. This is my first time doing a little DIY video, so I was trying to show you guys the products. A lot of the products you won't be able to see, but I'll make sure I put them on the screen. I decided to just show you guys 1 jar at a time instead of showing you guys each jar that I filled. I just felt like that would make the video a whole lot shorter, because I think I had like 22 minutes of video. So just stay tuned, and like I said, I'll be listing the different ingredients that I use. I won't be telling you guys the measurements because it took me a very long time to figure that out on my own. And if you decide to make your own hair oils, I just always feel it's best to figure out the research and do it yourself, because what works for one person will not work for another. Sorry you guys, I know I said I wasn't going to be talking through this video and making it long, but I just realized that I said body butter instead of hair butter. I'm using the oil for my hair butter. I do not make body butter, just because I'm just taking it one step at a time. So yes, the 3rd jar of oil will be used to be put inside of my hair butter. Every ingredient and tool and anything that I've used, I think the only thing that I didn't get from Amazon was the little measuring cups that I got from Walmart. But for maybe the 2nd jar of olive oil that you'll see me end up using. But for the most part, everything I got from Amazon. I'll list each thing in the description box below. I feel like it was pretty inexpensive. I do know going forward though, I'll probably just start sticking to one company instead of just using and picking from different ones. So right here, you'll see that I am starting to add my herbs into my mixture. I normally do it beforehand. I kind of forgot, but it really doesn't matter which way you do it. Now with the herbs, you can leave them in. I know that you have to have some type of preservative in order to do that, to maintain the shelf life, because after a while, it will become a little rancid, because these are all natural products, and the herbs and the plants, they tend to ferment. I believe that's the word, and you don't want that to happen with your oil. So for right now, I just go ahead and I strain everything, and then you can also use the herbs up to 3 times. I wouldn't go past 3 times. Now with the hibiscus leaves, you don't necessarily need to buy them because they are in the herbal mix that I just used beforehand. But I just preferred to buy some extra to kind of put in there because they smell so good. Now right here is what I was talking about when I said I bought this oil was from Walmart. I had to go to the store and I knew that I was running out, and I wanted to do this the hair oil mix, and I didn't have time for Amazon to ship it out because it was going to take like 2 to 3 days, and I just wanted to go ahead and get it done. So now that I've added all of my base oils, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding in my essential oils. Some of them I will be using a lot more than the other, and that's just because of the properties of them. They're all good properties, I will say that, but especially with peppermint, everybody loves that little tingle cooling sensation that they feel when they use any type of peppermint products on their scalp. So I wanted to make sure I incorporated a little bit more of that. Same thing with tea tree oil. It's not the best smelling thing, but it definitely helps fight the fungus on the scalp. Again, I do apologize, you guys. This was my first time doing this, and I didn't realize that the lighting was so bright that you wouldn't be able to see any of the labels. And then obviously the last couple of labels that I ended up trying to show were small. So like I said, everything will be listed in the description box, but I'll also put them on the screen. And once you're done, you just want to make sure that you give it a nice little shake. All of those dry ingredients that you put in at the bottom, you just want to kind of get it to mixed up. And that's why I said technically first I should have put the herbs in and then did the dry ingredients and then did the oils, because it just probably would have mixed a little bit better. But either way, I mean, it's still in there and it's still fine. Now, once you're done, you just want to make sure that you store everything in a nice, dry, cool place. I'm probably going to store this for about a week, week and a half, just so I can give it time to infuse. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll join me when it's time to strain these oils and also when I start making my hair butters. See y'all in the next video. Bye.